Namaskaram everyone, welcome back. We have dear Hatha Yoga teacher Kanika ka after a very long time, I guess. Right, Akka?
Yes, because you've been busy traveling.
I've been doing farming, not traveling.
Oh, that's amazing.
So, Akka, so today's question is like, what is for someone new to Isha? Like, they asked me this query, like, what is Hatha Yoga? I take a lot of time to explain. So, I think it
Okay.
would be better if you give me that, this, like, what is Isha Hatha Yoga?
Okay,
What is
great,
different, and
great.
also what is it different from inner engineering also? Because people ask me like whether to do inner engineering or
Okay.
Isha Hatha Yoga.
Okay. So I'll quickly talk about what is yoga first before I talk about what is Hatha Yoga. So yoga, now most people think it's stretching and doing impossible looking postures, but yoga in the truest essence of the word, it means union. So, and whenever we attach the word yoga to something, it means that it is a complete path in itself. Now, Hatha has the word yoga attached to it. So that means that Hatha yoga is a complete path in itself. So when we say complete path in itself, it means that it's a complete path towards your ultimate realization or liberation, or however we may want to articulate that. Specifically, Hatha yoga is about bringing a balance between the sun and the moon. Now, when we say sun and the moon, we do not mean the actual sun and the moon that is outside, but the sun and the moon that is within us. So, how this can be understood better is that in terms of energies. So, the masculine energy we say is represented by the sun or her, and the feminine energy is represented by the moon or her. So when you say Hatha Yoga, it is essentially about bringing a balance between the sun and the moon that is within us. So as a Hatha Yoga would use postures, physical postures, asanas to do that. Now in Isha, we have Hatha Yoga practices, different practices under the larger Hatha Yoga umbrella that we teach. So there would be a practice like Surya Kriya, which is the original practice from which Surya Namaskar has come. There is Angamardana, which is primarily for your physiological well-being. So your fitness is, if that's your primary concern, then Angamardana. And then there is a practice known as Bhuta Shuddhi, which is for cleansing the elements within you. There is also a practice known as Yogasana, which is a series of 21 asanas that we teach you. So these are all the different Hatha Yoga practices that are taught. Upa Yoga is also a part of Hatha Yoga practices that we offer, which is ideally suited for someone, who's just getting started with yoga and wants to just explore their physiological well-being. Inner engineering, on the other hand, is a different program that you do. Now, Hatha Yoga can be offered by Isha Foundation, where Hatha Yoga teachers will teach this program, or Hatha Yoga teachers have also been given the privilege to organize their own uh, programs or their own studios and offer these practices. So Isha Hatha Yoga can be learned through two different sources. It could be through an Isha Hatha Yoga teacher who is teaching for their own setup, or it could be by a foundation, which is through a program which is organized by the foundation where a Hatha Yoga teacher would be teaching it. Inner engineering, on the other hand, is Isha Foundation's flagship course in some sense. So it's the first course that you do to be able to do other practices, such as the more advanced programs such as Bhav Spanna or Shunya Meditate, Shunya Intensive, or Samyama. These programs. For Hatha Yoga, you do not need any prerequisite. You don't have to do inner engineering before you do Hatha Yoga. You can do them anytime, any program can be done. There is no sequence also that you have to follow. For inner engineering, now the first program that you do typically when you've started searching about some sort of a spiritual practice that you want to include in your life, then inner engineering is the program that we would typically recommend for everyone. Inner engineering can be offered online. So there's a part of it which can be offered online and a part of it which needs to be offered in person as of now. That is the initiation into this practice, which is known as Shambhavi Mahamudra. Shambhavi Mahamudra is a 21-minute practice that Sadhguru's introduced and designed for everybody to experience and make a part of their daily life to for better health, better emotional, mental stability, and it is a very deep spiritual practice. So Shambhavi Mahamudra is something that almost everyone who's an Isha meditator would be doing this practice daily, which is the 21-minute practice, which is only taught in the inner engineering program. So does this answer your question, Anna?
Yes, Akka. So can I have the some variation of the cost of each of the Hatha Yoga programs, if possible?
I'm sorry?
The cost of the programs.
The cost of the programs, the Hatha Yoga programs. Okay. So the Hatha Yoga programs would be priced differently. When we offer Upa Yoga practices like beginners yoga practices, these are the only practices that Hatha Yoga teachers can offer online. So normally a course would, price would vary from 1,500 to say 2,200, around that much, depending on the duration of the program. For example, with Align Me, our 3-week long program, which is beginners yoga practices and foods, yogic diet sessions, and meditation sessions as well. That is a 3-week program for 2,200 rupees. So that's, I'm just giving you an example, but that would depend on how different teachers are pricing their programs. It's not standardized in that sense. For the Hatha Yoga programs, when the programs normally range from around 2,500 to say 4,000 or 4,500, depending on the location, it could change. There have also been some programs which have been priced a little higher, so around 5,000. It would depend on multiple factors. One would be the location. So typically programs in bigger cities are a little more expensive because of the costs involved in terms of rentals and all these aspects. It will also depend on if it's being offered on a one-on-one basis or if it's being offered in a larger group. So naturally, if you want to get a private program organized, then it will be, of course, naturally priced differently. If you're attending a group program, it would be priced typically between 2,500 to 4,000, depending on the practice, the number of days, the number of hours, all of that. So Surya Kriya would normally be a 2-day or a 3-day program. Angamardana requires at least 5 days. Yogasanas requires at least 5 days. So those would naturally be priced higher.
So in these 5 days, how many hours do they need to be like the
Angamardana, our 5-day module requires you to attend the class for 2 hours. 2 hours, 15 minutes actually, yeah. So it's almost 11 hours for over 5 days. And yogasanas would also be 2 hours, 15 minutes over 5 days, yeah. Spread over that.
So, okay, so how, if the listeners want to, I mean the viewers, I think this is still a podcast. So the viewers want to attend a class with you, what should they do?
So there are 2 options. If you're in Delhi, Gurgaon, NCR area, then of course you would be able to attend a one-on-one class or a private session or an in-person class, sorry, is what I meant. So for that, I organize different workshops. I have a studio in Gurgaon and I organize workshops for the different Hatha Yoga programs. But if you're not in Gurgaon, Delhi, if you're any other part of the world, and if the time zone, you're able to work it out with the timings of our sessions, then we have online yoga programs which are happening, which will include the beginners yoga practices, meditation sessions, and sessions on yogic food and diet, where not only do we teach you about the fundamentals of yogic diet, we also share recipes with you and we cook along with you. So every food session that we do, we also do a cook along. So every week you will cook a live recipe, cook live with us as we try new recipes, pranic recipes, which are really healthy and very nutritious and really great to include in your diet. So those programs are being currently offered under the Align Me umbrella with 2 other Hatha Yoga teachers, Sanam and Tuhina. All 3 of us have collaborated and started Align Me. And it's a little baby and we've really nurtured it with a lot of love. So we look forward to having them attend a program there. The links and I will share with you for both.
So where can they message you Instagram, like which is the good
Yes,
place to?
on Instagram. So my Instagram handle is kanika.hatha yoga. So hatha is spelled as Hatha yoga. And that's my Instagram handle. A lot of times I'm unable to answer the private texts that I get, like DMs that I get on Instagram. So just be a little patient. Mostly a lot of content is already there in terms of videos or posts. So go through that, and probably a lot of your queries will already be answered with that.
Okay, Akka. Anything else, Akka? Like about? Are we done?
No, I just want to say definitely make yoga a part of your life. It has been very life changing for me, and I'm sure for Vaisa Khanna as well,
Yes.
and for me and my family. So it's absolutely amazing what yoga has done for us. So definitely give yoga a chance, is all I want to say.
If
Even if you don't think you're spiritual, give yoga a chance. You don't have to be spiritual. You don't have, just think of it for your well-being. It can be as simple as that.
so, I have a full Hindi podcast with Kanika Akka. If you want to know more about her, English is like the short version. That is also there.
Yeah, अब हम हिंदी में बात करेंगे वैसा खाना के
Yes, yes.
साथ.
No, no, this is English channel I'm putting.
Okay, we'll talk in Hindi for the Hindi podcast.
Yes. Okay, Akka, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.